In this video, I'll be showing you how you restrict editing on a Microsoft Word document of yours. So what you're going to do is you just hop on your document like this, and then you move to the review tab here. I forgot to say this. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So at the review tab here, you move to protect, and you should find this here, restrict editing. Just tap on that. Good. And now what you're going to do is you are going to check the first option, which is formatting restriction. Check the second one and make it read only. There are a lot of options, right? Well, I make you read only, so they can just read. They cannot do anything to the document. And you tap on the yes, which is the third button. Yes, start enforcing protection. You add a password, 1, 2, 3, something like this, and you confirm the password. And if someone will have to do something to the document, they will need to enter the password. Yeah, so that's it on how you, after that you press on OK and you're good to go. So that's it on how you turn on restriction on your Microsoft Word document. Simple and easy. You have any question, you let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Peace.